I thought that was a pretty good sight to see. Where the water just goes down. Then it goes to the river. You can also see some pretty flowers. Not sure what kind they are, but they look very nice.
I don't know, they do. The color.
Violet. Then you got some over here. Oh wait, no, I think those are just dead leaves. Never mind.
There's daisies right there, all right.
Yeah. Oh, this thing keeps going and going. I like that. Who knows what we'll see. Let's take this trail. Got an image of a tree right here. It's another image of some kind of
Bird?
yeah, but I'm not sure what kind.
Bird right there flying, see it?
Yeah, I caught a glimpse of it. I couldn't tell you what kind of bird it is, but these are the little crabs we see all over. It's hard to get them because once we make movement, they just hide. But they're all over these little rocks right here. I saw a butterfly. Where'd it go?
It's right here. Right in front of you.
I lost it on the camera.
Oh, this thing's so still.
Okay, we'll continue on.